much as we're going through problems, we need someone that we can trust. And we have a problem trusting someone, especially when it comes to deep issues concerning ourselves. Like, nataka nikwambie the challenge I'm going through. Acha nikwambie kitu. These
Yeah.
things go deep. It is not even about a woman peke yake. It is about even the challenges you're going through as a man. Let's say that's why unasikia
Yeah.
mtu hata kwenda kwa daktari ni ngumu. It is not about ati huyu msichana na kufrustrate, huyu msichana na kufanya nini kwa nyumba. It can even be something with your baby issues, whatever. Hiyo pia inachangia
Yeah.
tume, it's part of it. Kwa sababu unapata we are different. And actually it is affecting youth than wazee. Kitambo ilikuwa nasema kitu kama hiyo ni ya wazee, siku hizi na affect mpaka na vijana wanaenda na date zao whatever, hata wengine they're scared of even having sex. All these things are things that can torture a man, especially anything in a surround hapo chini. Si kitu serious, that is a
Mhm.
serious topic that men need to have friends. We need to have
Yeah.
friends that we can trust, friends that we can open to. It's a hard thing, yes, but I
But
believe
when
with the foundation whereby una trust mtu mmoja na unajua huyu ni rafiki yako, if not at least open up to a doctor. Unaona daktari, I'm sure ni rahisi, utamwona kesho, si ni mtu unaenda kwake na unamwelezea your problem ama ni whatever. Ama kama una mtu ambaye ni close to you, if you are a person unashikilia your faith, enda kwa mtu ambaye atakuambia mambo ya kubuild hope ama whatever it is. But kitu kinatusumbua zaidi ni who to trust. That is what we are lacking as men.
true, very true. And one thing I really like to add on what you're really actually saying right now, yeah. Um, we really have to trace on a basic upbringing of someone, the cultural values that person really had to carry when they're really actually growing up and stuff.